So in today's class, we have studied about working with this aggregate operators, so which are statistical functions that can apply on a relation. We have discussed something about working with set operators, union, intersect, and minus operator. We tried working with null operator and not null operator. Right, so any relation is expected to have a lot of missing values, so you need to know how to work with null operator and not null operator. And right, we also discussed about working with views. Views are virtual tables to provide different perspective view of the same database to different types of users. You go for views. So we studied about how to create a view on a table or a relation. We studied how to update a view or how to delete a record in a view, and how to finally drop a view complete statement, rollback statement, and how to roll back selectively a set of transactions using save point command. Right, so you are going to, whenever you perform some transactions on a database, you are going to create some points, save point sp1, save point sp2, and so on, so that over a period of time we need to selectively roll back only few transactions. Right, so roll back to sp2 means it has rolled back the transactions, last two transactions as they have been rolled back, and you can selectively roll back the transactions using the save point command. Right, so that's it for today's class. So second unit, it's about working with the DDL, DML statements that we have discussed and that you are familiar in the lab. So we discussed about joins and data control language. So we'll also have working with procedures, functions in SQL, working with triggers in SQL, and then we'll also work with some high-level host programming language like Python with SQL. Right, so we'll embed some Python, we'll embed some SQL statements in a host programming language like Python. And the second unit is about working with structured query language. Right, so maybe we'll have two classes before this CT, and we'll try to complete unit 2. So the cycle test portions will be unit 1 and unit 2. Right, so I will share the course plan in this course materials. Right, so thank you for your participation. So we'll meet in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.